Video. Oh, you don't want me in that.
Good morning, everybody. Christina, the mobile home mama here. We've got a new home that just came off the production line. We've got some Timberwolf cabinets in here, an extra large island with lots of storage. We've added the legs to this island. Microwave over the range, all Whirlpool appliances. Dishwasher. Side-by-side refrigerator with ice and water in the door. We've got our standard Casper cashmere walls. Let me get a little closer here. In other words, it's a light gray. It's got a little bit of a pattern there. 3/8" drywall with a vinyl backing. Those are the standard walls, so they are included in the base price of the home. At this 30/61 window here, our windows do tilt in for easy cleaning. They are single hung, dual paned, and it is surrounded by our standard trim. We also have a white wrapped profile trim available to buy as an option. This trim is a flat white trim. It is also available in a Timberwolf color. There is a feature on this home that I'd like to get more specific with. I don't want you to get dizzy, so I'm going to slowly pan around here. What I want to talk about is we did a 12-inch ceiling cutback. And the purpose of that is sometimes when you have a double wide home and you put them together, and then even after you lag the bolts together, you'll see the separation at the mate line. This option is going to reduce that and in most cases eliminate that. So instead of having a very small space to work with right there, in a normal situation, it would be this small space right here. But as an option, and a very cost-effective one, as a matter of fact, it doesn't cost a whole lot. We can take this ceiling on each side of the home and cut it back 12 inches. Now what happens when the installer installs your home, they're going to cut a piece of drywall this thick. Instead of having this small space to work with, now they've got this large space to work with, making it seamless when they put your home together. And of course, they're going to use the drywall mud and fan all that out into the ceiling so that you're not going to see that separation line. And this will go the entire length of the main mate line. In this home, we did a end-to-end flip, which is a possibility in every floor plan. So that means we would take what would normally be on the left side of the floor plan and we put it on the right side. What that is beneficial would be when you want to put a garage on a certain side, or the way your property is set up, you really need the entrance to be on the other end. We can do that. Very basic, simple laundry room. We can also do some different things in here. Say you wanted more modern stackable, we can prepare that and get that ready for not just the old style stackable, but now they have some pretty nice washers and dryers that sit right on top of each other that are full size. Now in this home, main water shutoff and also water shutoffs throughout. That's a very important feature. If it's not a standard feature, it is always an optionable feature, and I think that is one that definitely I would recommend you put. 200 amp service in all drywall, all double wide homes. We can do a 100 amp service. In that case, you would want to have most of your appliances to be gas appliances. There's Brittany.
Hello.
Brittany actually comes over. She inspects the home after it's been inspected a gazillion times in our ready to ship department. She comes over and just verifies that the order is exactly the way we ordered it and that all of the options are in there. Here we go. This is bath 2. Standard tub shower, always in every bathroom, unless you upgrade to a different shower. We have lots of different things that we can do in the bathroom. Rainfall shower heads, shower wands, and also even a shower tower. So check with me and see the different options when you're ordering your home. This is the spare bedroom. Always pretty basic on the spare bedrooms. We did do linoleum here in place of carpet. That's a nice little space for a dresser with an outlet. So, looks like another option they've added is can lighting throughout. Definitely worth your money there. LEDs, those are LEDs, you will very rarely change them. So, here's the kitchen. Timberwolf on the cabinets. Praline Antico on the countertops. Another happy customer. Thanks for watching.